Mary, and I am here with my good friend, Justin Jones, who also happens to be on the staff here as a pastor at Eastern Hills Church. And we are here in this pretty empty sanctuary right now, but it's not going to be empty for long, and that's what we're here to talk about. So, let's talk about what's going to fill this sanctuary pretty soon here.
Yeah, we're so excited in this Christmas season. I feel like this time of year, everybody, whether you're a grandparent or a parent or a child, you're looking for those kind of experiences that you can have together, those kind of family tradition kind of things that you can be a part of.
That's true.
And so we just are speaking to the community. We just want to be a place that you can have that kind of Christmas experience this time of year. So we, on December 14th, are going to be hosting what's called the Christmas Experience at Eastern Hills. And it's going to be a time where there's all kinds of different experiences that you can be a part of. I think things that are going to bring back some memories for you. But it's going to be for all ages. It's going to be family-friendly, fun, faith-filled, and we hope it's just a night that it's an experience for the whole region to participate in.
Great, something for everyone. And so let's talk a little bit about what that night's going to look like. First of all, it's Saturday, December 14th, right? Doors open at 5, starts at 5:30. So, all right, what can people expect?
So when you get here, again, doors open at 5, and you come in, we're going to start there's going to be some pre-experience things, but then at 5:30, we're going to dive right in for about a 40-minute program. And during the program, there's going to be all kinds of things going on. We're going to be singing some songs. We're going to be watching the nativity story played out in a drama. We're going to be hearing about joy. The theme is Unboxed, experiencing joy in the unexpected. And I feel like all of us hit unexpected times. And I feel like especially this time of year, joy is a thing that we're all seeking for. Whether you're young or old, you're seeking for that joy that can go beyond the moment. And so we're going to be talking about that theme in all kinds of different ways. We're going to have some games, and we're going to have all kinds of things to experience here for those first 40 minutes. After that, we're going to let you go then throughout the rest of the building, and there's going to be about 8 to 10 different experiences outside of this room. They're going to be inside the building and outside, so just know that when you come, there's going to be some outdoor experiences that you're going to be able to participate in as well. But there's going to be things like card making, there's going to be cookie decorating, there's going to be a live nativity story with animals, there's going to be all kinds of things to participate in. There's going to be things for kids, some preschool games, and so many people, we go to the mall and you try to wait in one of those lines to meet with Santa and take your family picture, and it's $30 and it takes forever, right?
Not here.
And so we're going to have a free place to be able to take one of those pictures, and then another photo booth to take a family Christmas picture, and all kinds of really cool stuff like that.
And all for free.
For free.
But we are asking one thing. What's that one thing that we're asking?
The one thing we're asking is if you would, to bring a canned good that we can then donate. We as a church want to support any kind of local service that we can to help people in the community. And so this would be a great chance if you bring a canned good that we can give that out to our partner ministries in the area. And also when you're coming, we're going to have adults, if you want to wear a Christmas sweater, we're going to have that, an ugly Christmas sweater.
Ugly sweaters are allowed.
And kids, I have 2 young kids, and having our kids wear pajamas, I think is kind of fun because, it's getting closer to the evening as we're going to go till about 8 o'clock. The experiences are going to be open till about 8. And so with kids getting ready for bed and stuff, it's going to be a great experience to have your kids in the PJs as well. So.
Okay, so really what you're saying then, Justin, is going to be a fun, encouraging, just a joy-filled experience.
That's what we're
for the
hoping.
whole family.
Yeah.
Something for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the whole community, even if you've never been here, you've never been in a church, you've never stepped into a church before in your life, we just hope this is a place that you'd feel comfortable.
So we're looking forward to seeing you here Saturday, December 14th, doors open at 5.